How do you go from this to this and create the most natural no makeup look to wear every day in just a few simple steps? If you don't like too much makeup or if you're a natural girly, then this one's for you, so buckle up. Make sure to always start with a well-hydrated skin. I just use a simple moisturizer and I've been loving the Ulla Henriksen Peptide Boost Moisturizer. You can use whatever you use on a regular. With a no makeup or a less makeup look, the key to evening out the skin is to either use a tinted moisturizer or even better, a tinted SPF. The sunscreen that I absolutely love that I use every single day is the Color Science Glow Sunscreen. And again, the tint is a bonus. This combination of offering a broad spectrum SPF and enhancing your natural skin's radiance because of that tint is such a great combination for a no makeup look. Its lightweight hydrating formula blends effortlessly, providing that subtle glow without feeling heavy or greasy. It's also infused with antioxidants and skin-loving ingredients. So it's not only shielding your face from that UV damage, but also nourishes your skin and makes it perfect again for that no makeup or less makeup look. And because of the tint, it doesn't give you that white cast. Just wait for a couple minutes and it gets completely absorbed in the skin while maintaining that glow throughout the day. And in areas where you need that extra coverage, if you have dark spots or patches, you can use a concealer to spot correct. I'm going to be using the Milani Concealer in the shade 145 and I use a very little amount, just a spot to correct around my mouth and my dark circles. As you can see, I'm using very less amount and I'm going to let it sit for a couple minutes so it gets tacky and a little bit dry, and that's when I'm going to blend it out to get more coverage. That way I don't even have to use too much product. I like to use a little bit more on my lid to even out the skin tone. The sunscreen now has completely absorbed in the skin, and while it's keeping my skin luminous, it again doesn't give that white cast because it's got that tint. Now I'm going to be using a dry sponge, not a damp, but a dry sponge, and go all around my face to make sure everything is well blended, and this also removes any excess concealer. That way, everything that I've applied so far settles beautifully on the skin and looks more like skin. Cheek and lip tints come in so handy with a no makeup look, and I especially love the tints from Milk Makeup. The one that I'm using today is in the shade Work. I like this for every day because it's so light, so it just gives that light hue. I use this on my cheeks, in the corners of my eyes, as well as lips to add that hint of color. I'm just going to quickly blend everything with my finger. That's all you need. You don't even need brushes. And that should take my face from looking flat to adding a hint of color and dimension to bring back warmth into the face. Lastly, something else that comes in handy is a transparent mascara. This is from Physicians Formula, and I like applying mascara both to my top as well as bottom lashes. Even if you overdo it with a transparent mascara, it still looks natural. And then I remove the excess before using it as a brow gel. When I do a no makeup look, I don't fill in my brows because I want it to look as close to natural as possible. So I just use the brow gel or the mascara as brow gel. But if you have sparse brows, you can definitely fill it in. But try to use a brow pencil to get the most natural effect. Let's look at the before one more time. And here is the after. I like to let my hair loose, and I feel like that adds to the subtle difference. And the makeup itself, it almost keeps people wondering if you have any makeup or not, while keeping your face looking radiant throughout the day. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out the description box for all the products that I used. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.